Hi, this is Dirk from D&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our Lil'Red Express. So you can see about half tank. We just put a new fuel sender in it. Oil pressure about 40. Temp gauge is starting to come up. Odometer shows 12,686. I would assume that's 112. You can hear the heater running. There's a radio with it. There's the radio working. Don't think the horn works. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Oh, wiper. There's your wipers working. Still has its original thermoquad on it. Probably gonna have sieving. I mean, it runs over. It needs some work with the thermoquad there. Maybe put an Edelbrock on it or whatever. And it's gonna die on me. Start it back up here for you. Like I said, gonna need some carb work on it, whether you replace the original thermoquad with the Edelbrock, that's your choice. But it still has the original one on it, so. Got the dual exhaust, stacks, tail lights. Probably didn't blow cold-blooded right there, but now it seems to be running fine. Then converted to R134. So any questions? 605-695-7391.